Alrighty, today we're going to go over how to draw the Garten of Banban character, Opila Bird. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to upward over here, curve for the back of the head. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple so far. And sorry, I'm going to talk a little bit louder. I was just kind of keeping my voice down. Curve over here for the front of the beak. And that's gonna pull back into the face into a curve. Alright. Over here for the eye, right on that corner. Circle for that eye. Easy enough. Gonna go over here to this, around this area here, throw another circle. Alrighty, so far so good. Curve over here, curve over here, and I'm gonna fill in the gap right here for the eye, fill in the gap over here for this eye, downward over here, curve line underneath, curve over here for underneath the beak right there, underneath the mouth, down, curve underneath on this side. Alright, so far so good, right? Let's pause, chill out, kind of take a step back. We're like, alright, this is fun so far. And before we go down more, I'm going to go over here and we're going to do this together. Curve, curve, curve for these little hairs on his head. Really weird character when you think about it. Gonna pull back over here for kind of the upper back area. Pull down. Curve underneath. Pull up. Right on. So we have like the majority of his torso done. Pretty simple kind of character where it's a little bit... the designs of Garten of Banban are very interesting. They're very flat, but they're weird. And he's no exception. I'm going to go right over here and I'm going to curve. Pulling down over here. For his wing, a little bit, there's some like 3 or so wiggly parts over here on this side. Alrighty, hopefully that's going really well. Alright, gonna go down to the leg, pulling down over here, this side, down this side. Gonna go here on this side and here on this side. Excellent. Curve over here for the left, underneath for the rest of the fingers there on the feet. Line over here. So, and let's go to the tail area. Same thing right here. 1, 2, 3. Cool, cool. Let's do one last thing. I'm gonna create a large line just on the outside. I'm just a little bit thicker line around the outside contour of the character. I like doing that. I think it looks good. I think it gives it a little bit more gravitas and a weight. I think it just gives it a lot more feeling, personally. and I just think it has overall much better just kind of look in general. If you like drawing, don't forget we have a free ebook on how to draw something cute. It is in the description, so go take a look. It is cool to do that. Go take a look at that. It is a lot of fun if you're learning to draw and you're coming up and you kind of see these drawings and you're like, man, those are so cute. Like, how do you do that, right? Outside of just watching this kind of stuff, there is a free ebook that is a couple of pages long that I put, and that is in the description over there. Like I said, definitely take a look at that. It is worth it, because the stuff that you learn in that book you'll never forget. It's very simple, like proportion style stuff that really applies to kind of stuff that you're doing. As far as this guy goes, we can throw a couple little lines over here along the edge. Sometimes a thin line along the border of something can give that something slightly more dimension. Also gives it a little bit more of a feeling that there's detail going on. And I think that would be, a plus to give everything a little bit more of a detailed approach. And just in general, just makes it look like you have a lot more kind of going on. If you found that easy, absolutely hit the like button and hit the subscribe. I post 1 to 2, sometimes 3 tutorials per day, and I'm going to start going live on a regular basis. So get ready for that. I'm going to start going live all the time. Okay? It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. I'm going to start talking to a lot of you guys. So hop into that, and I will see you in the next video. But like I said, if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask me down below. If you say hi in the comments, I will say hi back. So say hi, and I will absolutely say hi back right now. I promise you. Okay? Just say hi. Talk to you next time. I'll see you very soon, and I will, be here for you, okay? Talk to you soon, alright? Later.